Here are some important facts to know before beginning. Mulsolite should be the first step in any wet side stain removal procedure. Mulsolite puts water to work. It makes water wetter. Mulsolite has a low-risk, neutral pH and is usually the first choice for stain removal. But if a stain does need more treatment, Mulsolite will make it easier. It boosts water's ability to penetrate stains and fibers by reducing the surface tension between the water and the fabric. Mulsolite also helps control moisture to minimize spotting ring formation. Make your stain removal easier, faster, and more effective. Reach for Mulsolite first. Start by wetting the area to check for any movement of the stain. Apply Mulsolite directly to the stain. Apply the necessary mechanical action. Heat the area, then rinse to assess the results. Repeat the previous steps as needed. If wet cleaning, process after rinsing. If dry cleaning or finishing, dry the area with air, starting from the outer edges and working inward.
Thank you for trusting us with your garments. We hope that this video has been helpful. Please like and subscribe to follow us for more Streets Academy videos.